Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Make a quick backup so you can undo mistakes. Now open Disk Cleanup and include system files. This removes caches and Windows Update debris, freeing gigabytes and reducing fragmentation. Once done, go to Settings, Apps, and uninstall any unused heavy programs. These free RAM and cut background services. Make sure to reboot after each major removal so Windows can reassign resources. This first pass creates immediate, measurable speed gains. Next, trim what runs at boot. Open Task Manager and disable startup items you don't need. Focus on high-impact entries. Then use services. MSC sparingly. Set non-critical, seldom-used services to manual so they start only when required. Do not disable security or driver services. Once finished, check your power plan and choose balanced or high performance to avoid aggressive CPU throttling that makes apps lag. Make sure to test startup time. Small changes compound to noticeably faster boot and responsiveness. Finally, focus on storage and drivers. If your system drive is more than 90% full, move large media files to another drive or cloud. Aim for 10–15% free space for optimal performance. Update graphics and chipset drivers to resolve slow rendering or pauses, and update Windows. If something goes wrong, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupt files, and inspect Event Viewer for recurring errors. These tools pinpoint causes so you can reverse a change. Reboot and verify improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.